You know what I was thinking?
This is on camera, so be aware.
At the end of each day,
Yeah.
it would not probably be a bad idea for you guys to rehearse what you learned and me film it.
Good idea,
be
Ollie.
fresh, because you know that's
Because we
there's
can't
so
film while
much-
we're there.
No, we can't, and there's so much freaking information, and it's going so fast that I thought it just would be a really good idea to go through what you learned, and then I'll just.
I
film
love it. I love it. I think it's a great idea. Love it. Because
He is really fitting all of this.
Come on, come on, come on. I'm getting it. Keep going.
Okay, here you go.
Knives going
knives.
on. See, I was never allowed to put knives in the
Yeah,
dishwasher.
you're
Never.
No wooden handles, just stainless steels and plastic.
I'll take your word for it.
I hate when they put wooden handle things in the
No, that messes up.
No, it's all ruins the finish, and then they get all.
Okay, I want to know where that one is going. It has a
There's
place.
look, there's a come on.
Heck yeah.
Do not rinse
You're not going to get everything.
and do not waste that good taste.
God, it is a Wisconsin thing, I think.
Genetic.
That's what it would be like in my house.
That would be like this. Just to say, how is that different from saying it's a Jack Russell thing? How is that any different?
Well, no, it is a Jack Russell thing. It is.
No, it's a Wisconsin Jack Russell
It
thing.
could be a Wisconsin Jack Russell thing.
There's still one more plate hanging out there.
We're working on
1 minute, 57 seconds.
it. Hey, nobody say anything about timing on this.
Oh, well. Oh, did we not mention that?
No, you didn't.
Well, you're being
Too bad.
kind. Live with it. Go. Da, 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 da.
I don't know. That's going to be a challenge.
That is, I would take out the cutting board because that doesn't really count.
It doesn't count.
No, it's like a pot or a pan.
What happened to my dog paw glasses like this? One with the dog paws on.
Damn, we'll find out.
Somebody sucked them up.
Pick up that one and stick that one.
No, it's just that'd be double stacking on.
No double stacking. Oh, take out the pot lid. It's a pot
Yeah,
lid.
but that's diagonal. That doesn't take up a whole lot of space. I like the idea with the
I'm
cutting
telling
board,
you,
but
cutting boards don't count.
cutting board and platters.
And that can go diagonal right there. Right
Actually,
there.
I'm
Right
really
there.
familiar with this.
Right there.
I think
Telling
I'm
ya.
all too familiar with this.
And
Don't put the pot
exactly.
lid against the china, please.
Turn it the other way.
Don't put the metal against the china.
The lid.
No,
mhm.
no,
Yeah.
no.
Okay,
no.
fine.
What?
Stick it. Don't. I don't metal against my china.
I
Thank you.
wasn't touching your china.
It would when the water blows on
I
it.
just don't need it tapping on the platter and cracking it.
I'm worried about the.
Nope, that's perfect. Look, you've got a glass right here. Come on.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm still drinking.
All right.